Guys, this is Jaman from Future IT Vision. Java for beginner part 11. Last class I show you guys uh, if else statement. Today I will show you how to work with if else statement with else if. It's like a little bit advanced level. Let's show you guys. So I created one class and main method. So let's declare some variable. So you're gonna say int apple equal 20, statement close. Int orange equal 30, statement close. Int lemon equal 40, statement close. So now this is my variable. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna open the if else statement condition. If conditions. So if I say ifs, then always first try to make a restructure. If open the second bracket, then it says over here enter else space if condition, again second bracket, enter, and else second bracket open, enter. So now you say over here if apple apple equal 30, then system dot out dot println. So I'm saying that then eat apple, okay, print out apple. Over here else if, I'm going to tell actually what's going on. So now if we say else if orange less than 40, system print orange. Okay, else lemon. Let me explain the condition. So now before we see the condition on one condition here, now we're going to multiple condition with else if. Say if apple equal 30, if this first condition match, print down this. If first condition is the false, go to the else if, which is the orange if less than 40. If orange less than 40, print out orange. If this one is fail, so go to the else, whatever I said. So this is not condition, this is without condition, just print out whatever have there. But first condition apple equal 30, which is this, and second condition apple orange less than 40, which is this, print out. If both condition fail, go to the system output lemon. So now guys, let's see what will be happen. Just think the answer, just think the image in your answer, what could be there. So now I'm not going to give the answer. I will run this and run the if else statement. Run the if else statement, and you see 30. Why 30? Apple equal 30. Is the apple equal 30? No. Apple is the 20. So now, so this condition is failed. So go to the now else if orange less than 40. If orange less than 40, yes, orange is 30. So the print out the orange, which is the 30. So it's not going to the lemon. If both is failure, I will say if I said here greater than 30. So what will happen? Run the test. Run the test. is 40. You see, so which is this? Orange. Orange, sorry, lemon, because the both condition, apple is equal 30, no, apple is 20. Apple is greater than 40, no, apple is orange greater than 40, no, orange is only 30. The both conditions fail, whatever now default else is show up, which is the lemon. So that's it for today, guys. Now you know how to use the else if. Before used to we know the if else statement with multiple condition. Now you know with else if with else if statement, which is the create a multiple condition too, and also by default things. So now you know about if else statement. Next video I'll be show you nested if else statement in Java. Nested if else statement. So that's it for today. See you for tomorrow. Please keep tuning Future IT Vision. Feel free to ask question in the comment section. If you think that there is a need to improvement, feel free to comments and I will be answer your question as soon as possible. Thank you so much for today.